Good morning. Medyo pa si Ma'am C. So, medyo ginabit tayo kahapon. Excuse me. Kaya, ngayon lang natin bubuksan yung ating Seiko courtesy ng Sun Life. No? BTS tayo, Brighter. Tayo ay member ng Brighter Society. So, yan. Here. Thank you, Sun Life. So, limited edition lang to, guys. So, ako ay from yan. So, I'm from Willow Tree, GGST sales team, and from Malaya Garnet unit. Taran! Ang cute niya, oh. At eto siya. Tara. Here's the seal. Water resistant na siya at automatic. Then diba? May Sun Life siya. Personalized siya, guys. So, as you can see, meron siyang logo ni Sun Life sa loob at meron pangalan ni Sun Life. Okay? So, nakakatuwa. Diba? Yung mga ganitong bagay, di mo nabibili, diba? Magkano din to? Then, as you can see at the back, ganito yung ano niya. Pa siya. commemoration to ng 130 years ni Sun Life last year for 130th year. Yan. So, I'm part of the Brighter Together Society. So, pag Brighter Together Society, ibig sabihin, starting from July last year up to December, we help at least 3 families every month from July to December. So, yan. So, at least 3 families yung natulungan natin every month bago ka maging member ng Brighter Together Society. So, thank you, my dear clients, for trusting me. No? Yan, nakakatuwa. The-personalize talaga siya kasi meron siyang Sun Life. So, talaga siya diba? Oh my God. Thank you so much, Sun Life. And thank you, my dear clients. Thank you, Lord. And for giving me wisdom and diba? So, dahil kay Lord, ibigyan tayo ng mga wisdom, lakas ng katawan, no? To go to the clients and to discuss with them and to solve their their financial needs, no? We conduct financial need analysis, no, para malaman natin kung ano yung kailangan nila, and we're not just offering, no, products, but we make sure na ito yung kailangan nila, no, at this point of life stages nila. And nakakasaya kasi siya ay meron logo ni Sunlight. Ang likod niya, grabe, iba. Iba yung likod niya, oh. And again, thank you, Sun Life. Thank you, my dear clients. And of course, thank you, Lord. Ikaw lahat to. Bye!